Oh hello, welcome to another Well Side-by-Side video. This is the follow-on video from the video you should have watched about half an hour ago on the options you've got for either charging or jump starting a Yaris hybrid when you come across a flat 12 volt battery. We've got a couple of options. If you're in a rush to get your car going, the two options you've got are NOCO or some sort of mobile boost pack, or the big boost pack. And it's a really simple operation. I'll show you with the NOCO where to make your connections, and the same applies to the big jump pack. As you can see, positive, negative, positive, negative. So what I do with the NOCO, you do with the big jump pack. So let me go and set. Take the NOCO to the front of the car, to the fuse box where all the magic happens. Lid off your fuse box. That's easy. I showed you that in the other video. I also showed you where the port is, which you can use for charging and jumping. So remove the safety cover just by hinging it out of the way. There's the leads. I'll take the safety off the NOCO. I will now connect the NOCO to the positive connection, and then I will connect the NOCO to a known good earth. Then I'll turn my jump pack on and the lights will start flashing. This is the point where you can go back into the car. Whilst I'm doing this, let me just disconnect the trickle charger so I don't spike the triple charger. Then I'd go through the normal procedure of starting the car, my foot on the brake, push the power button, and your car will come back to life as it's just done. So this car will now run after having a flat battery using the NOCO or your big jump pack to give the car a 12 volt supply. So let me turn the NOCO off, do my disconnect, put the safety back on, put the NOCO away. Put the safety with the NOCO, I'll put that back together afterwards. Okay, your next option, if you've got a battery charger, that plugs into the mains. We won't do that, but I will show you the connections again. So once again, I will positive, a negative. My charger's now detected, even though it's not plugged in. it's detected that I've connected it correctly. I can now plug this charger in and charge the 12 volt battery. As you can see there, my battery is full, but I can charge it this way. So that's another option for charging the 12 volt battery. Let's put the charger away. Come on. That's if you've got a battery charger. If you've got a trickle charger, like I've got set up on the wall there, you can do exactly the same thing. And I'll show you this in operation as like I've got the trickle charger set up. Positive, negative, plugged into the extension cord. Right, I've got the trickle charger set up now, so we're plugged into the mains on my extension cord. There's the charger. And this charger is now putting voltage into the battery through the leads I've made up. And them are the connection points. So you've got multiple options of not doing what I've done in the back end, pulling all the trim off. But you can still charge your 12 volt battery up from under the bonnet, as I'm showing you in all these examples. It's just a matter of making some leads up, having a charger, having a trickle charger maybe, having a big charger. But there are lots and lots of options to get these things up and running, or just maintaining the battery. Them are all your options. Don't ever forget to put that back down. So, I now hope some of you might just do what I've done. Put a 12 volt connection direct to the battery to put a maintenance charger on it when you're leaving it. I've made all these leads up so I can show you all these options you've got. You could leave your car parked on your drive with this trickle charger on if you don't want to do the direct connection to the battery, but that's the way I'd advise to do it. This will get you out of trouble. As you can see, make a long lead up. You can leave the car parked anywhere on this drive. I could leave it parked over there, run the lead over to the car parked over there, and that'll maintain the battery. Or use the NOCO if you're in an emergency, or the big jump pack. Or if you've got, like I have up on the top shelf there where I've just put it away, your big battery charger, leave that charging the battery up. Lots and lots of options, people. But the one I'd go with, find yourself a motorcycle maintenance charger, make yourself a little loom up with the appropriate plugs, make yourself a long lead up so you can leave charger in the dry, and the lead's waterproof, stick it through the door and you are sorted, you're away. You've not got to worry then about parking your car up for weeks and weeks, months and months, and coming out to a flat battery. And if you have got a Yaris hybrid with a battery that's failing, that does refuse to start, and you're not in a position to get a battery, funds might be short, this will get you out of trouble. This will keep the battery topped up so you can at least start the car in the morning, do what you need to do until you can afford a new battery, or Toyota replace it under warranty. Hopefully you can glean some information out of this video and show you all the options I've just made available to you. Because the problem, I know it's annoying coming to your car, 12 volt battery's failed. It's annoying. I don't disagree with you there. But I look at it this way: a flat battery is just that, it's an annoyance, but there are options to get you going. It's not like running a Peugeot 1.2 PureTech or a Ford EcoBoost where the wet timing belt's going to destroy an engine. That's a lot of money. If you need to replace your battery with a better battery, 50 quid, 60 quid, that's a damn sight cheaper than a new engine. So stop making all the fuss about the 12-volt battery issue. There are solutions to the problem. Use some of the solutions I've just suggested to you. They all make perfect sense and they all work. All you need to do, a bit of preparation, a bit of time, a bit of money in the respect of the trickle charger. If you've just bought a Yaris and you know you're not going to use it a lot, go down this route. Make a loom, get a trickle charger, connect it up, do it as I showed you. Charger in the garage, plug in the car, run a lead out to your car, leave your car, forget about it. It's going to start when you get back to the car the following time you want to use it. Unplug the charger, put it away, go and do what you need to do. You're not going to have the issue with a maintenance charger connected to it. That's all you need to do. Really, really simple solutions to what is an issue people are blowing out of proportion. All my opinions again, yeah, but it is just an annoyance. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch a North Wales side-by-side video. Please consider liking, please consider subscribing. Thank you for watching.